Everything I do runs through Claude Code now. And I don't mean one chat or one task. Right now I have 3 sessions running. One is building a client project, one is writing the script, and one is reviewing code. All of them feeding into the same system underneath. And that's a normal Tuesday. The reason the parallel chats work is because no matter which chat I'm in, the system knows where to go. Everything is documented in one place through a registry. So whether I'm in the client chat or the code review chat, it pulls from the same context. The chats are isolated, but the knowledge isn't. And that changes how you think about AI at work. Most people use it as a one task at a time thing. Open a chat, get a result, close it. But when the system underneath is organized, you can run it as a background layer across everything. Building while planning, documenting while building, capturing ideas while doing client work. And that's the part that surprised me the most, the ideas. In the middle of client work and meetings, something clicks. A connection I want to explore or a video angle, a tool I want to build. And if I can't capture it in seconds, it's gone. So I built it into the workflow. I tell Claude Code I have a new idea and it classifies it, puts it in the right folder in Obsidian, fills in the template, and breaks it down into key points because I always want an idea to have structure, even when it's raw. And then it's there, ready for when I need it. And then I combine those ideas with keyword research. I have a tool that tracks keyword volumes in Obsidian, so I can see which ideas have search demand behind them. Sometimes the angle shifts completely because the keywords reveal what people actually search for. I don't open Claude Code and say, write me a script. I open it and it loads my keyword data, my performance metrics, my previous scripts, and my voice rules, my tone of voice, before we even start talking. The system knows what's working before I do. But the thing I didn't expect is what happens over time. Everything in my Obsidian is Git committed, so there's a record of every change. And I have a weekly vault organizer that runs through those changes and finds links between things I didn't connect myself. It's creating this automatic network of ideas that keeps growing. And sometimes Claude will flag something and say, this keeps coming up, should we log it as a core concept? And I'll look at it and think, yeah, that's been forming for weeks and I didn't even notice. The system is noticing patterns before I do. If that resonates with you, hit the like button. It helps me know what to focus on in the next video. So the barrier was never the AI. It was understanding my own workflows well enough to describe them. Once I did that, Claude Code handled the rest. And now the ideas create their own network without me having to manually connect anything. I am curious though, how many of you are running Claude Code as a single chat for a single task? Because the shift for me was running it as a background layer across everything. Tell me in the comments. Because the system underneath all of this, the Obsidian Vault, the skills, the memory, I broke that down in my previous episode right here. That's the foundation. Subscribe. This is Afterwork.